How to add 3D effect to your video. This is going to be very simple. So first of all, you have to go to the effects center. If you're not able to find this effects center, in the Windows option in the menu bar, click on it and make sure there's a tick mark. If there is a tick mark, then it will show in your screen. Now here you have to find type 3D, right? And you will get an option of basic 3D. Now click and hold and drag it to your clip. So this is my clip. And here in the effect control you will find an option of basic 3D. Now I just want to make it 3D, right? So I will just tilt it a little bit like this, right? And this is basically a keys, a time frame, so make sure I will make a time frame here, right? So I will just click on this one in the swivel, and as it goes here I will just make it tilt like this. Same goes for the tilt, and for it I will just make it a little bit like this. And on the starting I just want to be 0, right? And I have added some keyframe, and if I just play it you can see that it is giving a little bit of 3D effect, right? So you can just make it according to your requirement if you want to make it more better and more good looking. So I will just advise you one thing: make sure at the same time go to in the effect control, and this is my position. I can just click and hold. I will do the same thing. I will a time frame here. I will just move like this. Same for, I will just add a scale here, and for here I will just make it a normal one, right? For example, let's say like this. So if I just play it now, you can say. So guys, I hope you found this video very useful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.